Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my first voiceover video. So there is some problem in BYJU'S. Okay, so this is the problem: missing SD card. Please insert BYJU'S SD card into the SD card slot. So just retry it. No, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happens here. So just fix it with tech now. So this is the SIM ejector pin of this tablet, and this is the pin. There is this SIM ejector tray. Just open it, and this is opened. So this is the SD card. So this is BYJU'S SD card. SanDisk Ultra 128 GB. This is the reader of this SD card. Clean the reader by the eraser. And clean it. And after clean it, assemble the SD card into the tray and insert this into the tablet. Like this. After insert, please restart it. Until it restart, please like, share and subscribe the video. So it's now restarted. Just open the lock and tablet is starting. So tablet is ready, and now check the BYJU'S app. You can see it's open perfectly. There is no any problem in it. You can use this easily. So this is the today's video, and my English is not very well, so I hope you solve this problem. And if you have any technical issue, please comment down below. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.